Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you a crib interior idea. Now I am working on the crib for this little baby girl, and I have two options here. Now this is a cover from a toy carriage, and this is a cloth that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and I've used it in winter creations as snow. So first I'm going to try this inside of this bone-shaped bowl that is for dog treats. I got this at my favorite thrift store. So I'm using it as a crib. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try this. I just want to see how it looks. So I'm placing the baby in here like this. Okay. And it doesn't look so bad. I like the color. The baby's tucked in there and it covers, you know, the crib. But I want to try my other option, which is the cloth that I bought at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so either way, whichever one I choose to be the first style of the crib, I'll still make different videos, and I'll share a video with this crib like that. Okay, so let's remove it. Now we know what that looks like. So let's place this cloth in here. Okay, look at that. There's a space for the baby in there already. I placed the baby in here, and look at that. I just love the way that looks. I like both of them. I do like this, but this seems to be better. So, as I said, I am going to transform the American Doll classroom into a baby's room. And I want to show you something. See this whiteboard here? Now, there's a little button right here. If I press this button right here, right? This will light up. Look at that beautiful lighting on that board. Now if I bring the baby up to here, look at how beautiful that looks. Wow, I just love it. So I hope that you stay tuned for the transformation of this room. And I hope that you enjoy all the details. And thank you so much for watching.